What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Tajtheceo back with another video. Now today, man, we got the camera. The camera came in, so now I ain't gotta record off my phone. If you guys didn't know, I'm recording off my phone, but you know we're gonna do a quick unboxing. I'm gonna show y'all what's with this camera. So you know, let's check it out. So yeah, let's see what's here. You feel me? Let's see. I already cut it up first. You know, the status. Alright, okay, packing peanuts, alright. I'm not gonna clean it up later anyway. Ooh, okay. So this one I'm working with, y'all, the Canon Vixia HF R800. Feel me? Nice little camera, record 1080p, 60 frames per second. You know that for a fact. It's pretty good, so it come with the papers and everything. I don't need to be saying all that though. Alright. Then open it up. Oh yeah. Got the cord. What this be? Probably the charger right here. Alright. What we got next? We got, oh no, this is probably the charger for sure. It probably connect to the charger or whatever. That's probably the adapter that I just pulled out the first time. Yep, it's a Wi-Fi, well not a Wi-Fi, HD adapter, so I can transfer. That's pretty cool, pretty dope. We got the cube in there. This right here is the battery. I know that. Go on the back of the camera. And then we got the camera right here. So let's see if it's any more stuff in it first. Nope. Oh shoot. Fuck that thing. Anyway, so let's check this out. Check out the camera, but yeah, I see the battery right there. Forward button. It's pretty nice, you know what I'm saying? Got the HDMI on and off button, mic button, so I can throw in the mic. It's the camera lens, of course. So yeah, y'all, just a little your digs. Not major. I'm gonna actually show you guys how it records and everything too, so that you guys can see the nice footage. Oh yeah, and the best part is this flips right here. This twists this right here. So you know you can always change it around and stuff like that. But I'm gonna flip the camera around so that you guys can actually see me, and I'm gonna talk about it for you guys. So we back with the camera, you know what I'm saying? Basically, this is joint right here. Boom. Open it up. Boom. And you got the back. Boom. And you got the side. And you got a little handle right here. Of course, I'm gonna put the battery in there. We're gonna see if the battery is actually charged, which I really doubt. They never charge the battery before you get anything, or it always be slightly charged. But let's see. So slides in just like that, just like it. All right. So let's turn it on. Let's see. Yep. So the battery is dead. So basically, when I get it up and running, I'll show you guys what it do. All right, y'all, so basically I got the camera back on. I got it working and everything, as you guys can see. You know, the footage is actually pretty nice here. You see, it's actually pretty decent. I'm gonna record some footage. I'm gonna go outside probably soon and record something, get some good footage for you guys, just so you guys can see how it looks. But yeah, this is gonna be a new camera I'm gonna record off of, so expect more videos from me and stuff, guys. Actually, just spam down and like drop a video, because I got a camera. I have no excuses now. So basically, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is pretty much it. We're gonna go ahead and get into how this looks and everything. And yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a good one. I'm out. Bye.
Coyote? Wally, that coyote, yeah. Yeah.
Bro, what are you doing, bro?
I was just,
why? No, we don't play with puppets, bro.
I was just having fun.
We don't.
I was just playing with the toy. I was playing with the toy. I was just playing with the toy.
We don't. No.
I was just playing.
No.
But I
Stop that.
Don't you wanna?
Stop that.